The Logitech support team recommended me to delete the device. Actually, it says to remove both the devices. And after the removal, I will modify the registry. This step of removing the registry value of the wheel I have followed from the Logitech channel, which they recommended. So in the registry editor, you go to current user, system, current control set, control, media properties, private properties, OEM, and my wheel is here. If you have the same model, it should be with the same name, right? With the termination C26E. So they said to delete this registry, this entry. Disconnect and connect the wheel back. My internet is disabled now because I wanted Windows to stop installing right away the wheel. So in the device manager, the devices are back, including the hidden one, the gray out one. But in device and printers, there is only one normal device. In the past, I have tried this step, but the wheel stopped working in the games. So that's why I said before that the editing of the registry didn't work for me. So far the registry doesn't show the wheel. That's because we don't have the internet. I was expecting G-Hub to reinstall the wheel and make it visible here, but it didn't. That's not my problem, but never mind. The wheel seems to work in G-Hub, right? Now I will enable the internet and the Windows, of course, it's installing the wheel. If we check the Steam settings, controller settings, the wheel still doesn't show, but I really don't need to navigate in Steam with the wheel. I don't mind using the keyboard or the mouse. I was expecting that the wheel will show up, but no. And here I cannot calibrate it. If I try, there is no calibration as before. I don't mind again, but as long as there is only one device and it's working in the games, I don't care. The wheel it shows in the registry now. Even after the restarting, the wheel will not show in Steam. Not even after the restarting the Windows, I meant to say. In the games, for example in Project Cars, I use a custom wheel or a G920 as a profile. And in Need for Speed 2016 I'm using G920 and it seems to work. So this was the guide that Logitech support team showed me.